Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will show you how to type without typing. Crazy, right? I know. So wait a minute. Have you subscribed to my channel? If you have not, kindly click the subscription button so that when I drop a new video, you get notified instantly. So let's get started to how you can type on your mobile phone without even pressing your mobile keypad. Get started. The first step is go to your Play Store. So go to Play Store, search for Gboard, just G, letter G, and the spelling of the board. So once you search the Gboard and allow it open, so this is the Gboard here. So once it opens, you will see install if you've not installed it before. So mine is already installed in my phone. So I just go straight to open it, then open. Once you open, click on language and select all the language you think you need. You can add as many language as you want to add to it. You can even add Hausa language, any language you want to use, Nigerian English, Nigerian Igbo, and so on, and other language. So I use English UK and Nigerian English to speak. So I just select them and that's all. Then you go back, go to voice typing and click on voice typing and make sure it is on. So once it's on, the next thing is to go to your setting. So once you come to your setting, you go to your keyboard list. So you go to your keyboard list and set the keyboard you want to be on default. So the Gboard should be your default keyboard. So go to your keyboard list. You see the Gboard. If it's turned off, then you have to turn it on. Okay, you have to turn it on. Then go to your default keyboard and select the Gboard. Mine is Samsung keyboard, so I just select the Gboard and then click on it. So the Gboard is already selected as my default setting. Then you go to anywhere you want to type. So once you come to where you want to type, then you will see this microphone button. This is my WhatsApp status. So you see this small microphone button here. Okay, see this small microphone button here beside your keypad. I don't know how I'll show you this. So just this microphone button here, let me click on it. Don't know if it works. So you click on it and once you see speak now, once you see speak now, then you begin to talk and it records everything you say. So this is the microphone button. This is the microphone button down among the keys. So you just click on it and allow it initialize, and then you say speak now, and then you begin to speak and it types out everything you are saying just the way you say it. So imagine you want to write an ebook. When you want to write an ebook, all you just need to do is download the Google Doc in your phone. I already downloaded Doc in my phone, so download the Google Doc in your phone. Okay, so download the doc in your phone, and once you open the doc, so once you open the Google Doc in your phone, you just click on the speak button, and then as you speak, it writes out everything you're saying it, and then you just have to edit, and your ebook is ready. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification button because I will drop more insightful videos for you. For now, see ya.